Hello and welcome back to another alternate card using elements from the August 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Meaningful Flowers. So I took the envelope apart. I cut it to 5 1/4 by 4. To do this, I needed to have the envelope flap in. But what I did is I took my bone folder and I just kept pressing along the line. And on this side, here you can see where it is, but here you can barely see. If you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't know it was there. I took one of the greetings labels and I used the happy birthday from Go To Greetings to stamp in Tahitian Tide. And what I have is one of the ribbons from the 3/8 sheer ribbon combo pack. And it is in the Daffodil Delight, in the Bubble Bath, and then this is Azure Afternoon, but it goes actually really nicely on this card, so I'm going to use it on this card. So super simple. I've got a side opening landscape card, and to do that, you just cut your 8 1/2 by 11 at 4 1/4. So you got a long strip, 2 long strips, and then you score it at 5 1/2 to make a side opening landscape card. So this is how it works, and I am going to put the ribbon along the bottom like this. I love the little silver edging in it. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put just a line of adhesive right there so that I can put this down like that. And then I'm just going to flip this over and run some adhesive down there, and I'm going to make sure that when I put the adhesive around to the back that I'm not skewing it, that it's still straight. So there we go, and like that. And then I'm going to adhere this envelope interior down to the front of the card. And it's cut to 5 1/4 by 4, so same kind of standard sizing applies. Make sure your edges are even, and you can push that down. Then I'm going to dimensionalize this, and that's one of the reasons that I adhered this, because the dimensionals will stick on here, and I don't want it to move around. So, as you can see, it took me twice to stamp this. So paper has 2 sides. So I'm just going to put a couple of dimensionals on there, like that. And just put this down in the middle of the ribbon. And so we're straight. And this needs to pop up just a little bit. There we go. So we've got the happy birthday there. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of the clear enamel dots. Just for a little bit of interest, just to kind of draw the eye around the card. So that is alternate number 2, I believe, in the paper pumpkin for August 2023. Super simple, but really pretty card. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.